introduced to BS handling about 4 years ago now. We were working on another project. Back then, Mindful was a very new company. We weren't looking to spend millions in automation. So it was a very small project, but even then he was very helpful. And we found so far that we've worked really well as a pair. We've not looked elsewhere as a result of that, because the 4 years that we've worked with them, they've delivered everything that we've asked for. We started off with them installing our first picked light line. Now it's sort of known as the auto line. We've got a large throughput increase, up to about 550, 600 boxes now. And it was probably before that phase had actually finished that we'd already started thinking about what can we do with the boxes when they come off the line. BS handling has been really good to work with over the last 4 years, listening to our ideas on what we want to do. Quick to react and quick to move on the decisions that we make. We haven't had to wait months, years for projects to be done, because I think a lot of times when you plan these automation projects, you start and it could be 2-3 years before actually you're coming around to a point where you're installing the equipment and actually operating. In the majority of cases, projects have been from start point to end point in under 9 months, which I think is testament to BS handling.